you guys look at the water, it's actually constructed. According to a team member just told me that maybe rebuilding this stuff. Maybe rebuilding it or make it into like a intimate log flume with launch like they have in SeaWorld San Antonio, according to what that cast member just told me. Or Ambassador, not Disney or Universal, but the Ambassador. And the seat's actually not wet on this thing, so here we go.
And brace for a sudden slowdown at the bottom of the hill. Thank you. Por favor, siempre usted correctamente, déjense bien fuerte para una caída repentina.
It's like swampy, the water, and there's some section right here. It's like slow swampy, the water right here.
Sit upright, hold on tight, and brace for a sudden slowdown at the bottom of the hill. Thank you.
Here we go, tiny drop. We did not get wet from that tiny drop. Water just tilted over the edge. I'm not sure if you guys saw that. Water literally just tilted off the edge. Here's the river rapid part. My body got wet, but the camera didn't in that part. But this thing's 50 feet waterproof to 60x5, so I think it'll be fine to get wet. Yeah, the water's almost overflowing in this section. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. The water's like so close to overflowing.
Please sit upright, hold on tight, and brace for a sudden slowdown at the bottom of the hill. Thank you. Por favor, siéntense correctamente, déjense bien fuerte para una caída repentina que se detendrá en el fondo de la colina. Gracias.
Here's the big drop into the swamp. Here we go. I put the camera all the way up because I didn't want to ruin their lunch footage. Oh, wow. I had left my Meta Ray Bans on. I didn't realize that. But I think I'll be fine. This is water resistant. So that's my goodbye to this ride. I got somewhat.